Hello, my name is Kate Owen and I manage a project called the Gatsby Career Benchmarks in Rhondda and Taff. The benchmarks are a set of 8 guidelines to help your school ensure you have the very best opportunities to plan and prepare for your future career. The benchmarks also ensure that you have all the information you need to make good choices about your options and your future study plans and all of the different options available for you for your future careers. The benchmarks expect your school to offer you opportunities to learn from employers and employees. Obviously, we are all working and learning in very different ways at the moment, but that really doesn't mean that you should stop thinking and planning and preparing and learning about the different options you have for your future career. I'm continuing to work with your school to make sure that you have the information you need to make choices about your future career options. I am working closely with the Employment, Education and Training team in Rhondda and Taff to help make sure your school has all the resources it needs to ensure that you are able to make these career choices and learn about different career paths and options. Remember, you can also contact Careers Wales, who can offer you careers guidance and support and help you in this journey towards your future career. I will be sharing a career passport for you with your school in the coming weeks. This is a tool to help you track and evaluate all of the careers education and experience that you will be having and help you make personal choices about your future. While recent times have been strange and unsettling for all of us, we must still focus on our future career plans. The Gatsby Career Benchmarks are there to support your school and to support you to realise the potential that we know you have.